have a slow iPod Touch 4th generation that you want to speed up, may I recommend, if you're jailbroken that is, an app called Cleaner. Basically, all this does is allows you to clean your free memory on your device. As you can see, I have 18 megs free with 44 running processes. If I run a deep clean, it frees up all the memory that it can.
Sit down, bad boy. No. He's not. I mean, who would let her go? Hey, I'm sitting up. Just go, hey, I'm sitting up. Move that. Yeah. Oh, Alice. And he. The Alice one. Back up. My boot's longer than my foot, so. Yeah, it's longer. Your boot. Oh. Bang! No! Look at the side of it. Yeah. Oh. So, I always have to make sure. Why didn't I do the blue one you were just putting up?
As you can see, it is freeing up your used memory. Your memory, so it's freeing up like your inactive, it's freeing up your active and probably your inactive memory. I'm not sure if it's only freeing up a little bit here, but as you can see, it's freeing up some of it. I got it to free up like 44 megs of it or something like that. So it was running like relatively okay. But as you can see, Cleaner actually does work. So if you occasionally run this tweak or tool that you've installed on your jailbroken iPod Touch 4, you'll encounter less crashes and less occasional like restarts of the device itself because it's being a bit unstable. So I hope this actually helped you guys out. If you have a jailbroken iPod Touch 4, feel free to leave a comment if you have one. Like the video if you did. Share it. Do whatever you want. I don't care. And feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new.